Here's what we're looking for. The definition of identity is what? Words, phrases, and images articulated with power, precision, and passion that instantly, definitively communicate who you are, how you're different, why you're better, and what customers can expect when doing business with you. Okay, so if you look down at this, you say, okay, well, let's go through this website a little bit more. Welcome to stress-free, quality first, not done until you say it's done remodeling. Successful remodeling doesn't happen by accident. It's deliberate, measured, and absolutely on purpose. Is there a level of precision? Is there a level of passion? Do you have a feeling of what you're going to get when you do business with this company? Oh, by the way, have I said anything explicitly about how much their prices are? Yes or no? Have I said anything implicitly about their pricing? Does this look like the cheapest remodeler that you will ever find? No. We're sticklers for details. We obsess over perfection. So we're not the fastest. Oh, here's something explicit. We're not the cheapest. According to our clients, we're simply the best. Now, here's what most companies would do. They would take this part here. According to our clients, we're simply the best. They would put it up here. Hey, we're the best. But without everything else, it's a platitude. Platitude is Charlie Brown's mother saying, wah, 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 wah. This is a section of their website called case studies. Well, why would you put case studies on your website? Well, so other people can see what you've actually done. Not just some random photo of, here's a photo, but here's the Gossets, the Hendricks. But go look this up. This builds a case of who this company is, how they're different, why they're better, and what you can expect when you do business with them. BBB. Does anybody say that they're BBB accredited on your website? Yeah. Guess what? Nobody really knows what that means. We have to take time to explain it. But instead of just throwing a logo on there that says BBB, we explain to them what that means and what our A+ rating actually means. Instead of just saying, we've got 40,000 satisfied clients like the James Hardy guy did, we said, no, let me tell you about the Gossets, let me tell you about the Hendricksons, let me tell you about the Johnsons, let me tell you about the Davis family, let me show you the projects, let me show you the before photo, let me show you the after, let me show you what they were trying to accomplish, let me show you how we did it. This is called building a case. It's like being an attorney. It's a life or death sentence. And most companies are getting up there and they're addressing the jury saying, we are the best, we have the best products, we have the best service, and we've done 40,000 customers. Any questions? I don't want to hear them.